Why are there not more people talking about yawning? It's the ultimate test of willpower, and we're challenging you today. Yawning is a natural response to tiredness or boredom. But did you know that simply seeing or hearing someone yawn can make you yawn too? Let's see if you can resist. Scientists believe contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons kick in, making us want to yawn too. Feeling the urge, yet even animals like dogs and chimpanzees yawn when they see others do it. So if you're starting to feel it, don't worry, you're not alone. So did you make it through without yawning? Comment below and let us know if you resisted the yawn. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more fun videos. See you next time.